Hey guys, I hope all is well. My name is Akaya. Welcome. If this is your first time coming to my channel, thank you so much for spending your time here. I will be making some homemade pizza. I had just showed you the ingredients. Now I am about to show you, I'm going to be using some Pam. I like to always put Pam inside of my baking sheets. This is some pre-rolled pizza dough that I got from Publix. I just go ahead and put it inside of this container. Now I am about to cook my sausages, but I'm showing you I'm going to be putting my green peppers and all that good stuff in the microwave, letting that get cooked. Now my sausage is done, and when I say this smells amazing, it smells amazing. And I like to put little smokies on my or hot dogs on my pizza. Don't know why, but every blue moon we used to eat this when we was young, and I love it. Now I like to put the actual dough in the oven just to let it cook a little bit before I put these other ingredients on. Now I'm showing you what I'll be using. I actually really love this Prego pizza sauce. That was my first time using it. And again, I'm just showing you again what I'll be using. The dough is a little bit done. Like I told you, I like to get it a little done. I am using this Prego pizza sauce, which is fantastic. And this pesto basil is really good also. And I got all this from my local grocery store. And now I'm about to put my sausage. Guys, I love sausage. Like, I love sausage on my pizza. My husband likes some things on his pizza, and I like some things on my pizza. So we're going to be doing half and half. He don't like the hot dogs on there. I don't like the green peppers and the veggies, but he do. So I put them on there for him. This is a super easy pizza. You can use whatever toppings that you want. Here is the mozzarella cheese that I'll be using, and I just put the cheese on. And again, you use what toppings work for you. Whatever you like, you make it. But I just got tired of always getting a pizza from a lot of different big pizza companies and them not being good. So I just decided to make my own, like we used to do when I was young. If you have any questions, let me know. I like to put it in the oven for about a good 15 minutes. But you check it. You check yours, check the directions and all that good stuff. Now I am putting some basil on the crust and some garlic, hooking it up. And if you want to, you can warm you some butter in the microwave and just put it on the crust. And now it's done. And you can also put it in a round dish, baking dish too. I just wanted to make it a little bit deeper and put it in a square pan. Um, and I wanted to show you another trick too. Use this parchment paper when you are putting, if you need a lid, like I like to put aluminum foil on top of mine so it won't mess up your cheese. So put the parchment paper first, and then you put the aluminum foil, and you don't gotta worry about it messing up the actual cheese. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Go ahead, subscribe, follow, and thank you for watching. Comment below how you think you like it. Bye.